So this was the Airbnb I stayed at near the Davisville Station. I guess maybe it locks on its own. It's my first time seeing this. I think it's this one. Okay, so it looks like a nice, cozy place. It's a 1-bedroom. I'm going to take my shoes off. Bedroom with a clothing rack. No closet, but they do have a drawer. Another drawer here. Sofa. I guess bathroom lights are controlled from the outside. Nice modern sink, mirror. Full bath, shower looks good. Oh, that's convenient. They have a table here with a USB charger on top already. Washer and dryer in the unit next to the kitchen. All right, I think I'm going to enjoy this place. It's a very nice 1-bedroom, 1-bath basement apartment here in Midtown.